everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am doing great today. As you guys have seen, if you guys have watched my previous videos, I am still in my plain black shirt. This is the last video in the shirt, I promise. It is the same day, but I wanted to get these boxes knocked out for you guys so you guys could see what was in them. Sorry, I have like a hair on my nose. But anyways, hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new here, I am so happy to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. I almost forgot my own intro. Anyways, I'm just a hot mess today. I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff. Got my hair done. I have to cook supper soon. So let's just unbox together. So today's box, I've done like 3 boxes, but this unboxing is the Ricky's Colt Crushes box. I do believe they upped the price to $14 a month. I think it used to be $11. This is only my second time getting this box, I think. So I do believe it is $14 a month, but I do think that you get free shipping. So this is what the box looks like. It just says Ricky's Colt Crushes on it, and we will get into this box. I need something to open it. Do I have? Well, I don't think a hammer is going to do it. Why do I have so many tools in my filming room? I have a hammer, I have a random screwdriver, so I'm just going to open it with my screwdriver. Or try to anyways. If this works. Please work. Oh, almost. I'm like a barbarian trying to get into this thing. I really should get me some scissors. I have scissors. They're just downstairs. Okay. Screwdriver worked. So we will get into this Ricky's box. When we open it, it just looks like this. It has some of that gigantic bubble wrap on top. And you open it up and it just has the card. And it just says Ricky Colt Crushes with all of the items on the back. So I will not look at that. I don't know what's in here. I have not seen anybody's unboxings. I haven't seen any of the spoilers or anything. So we'll jump right in and I'll read the card as we go. Alrighty. So the first thing I'm seeing is a Ederose. I am so terrible at pronouncing things. And like this is probably like a beautiful like word. And I mess it up every time. Ederose Sheet Mask. Rose water infused hydrating sheet mask. It is in a pink little foil thing here. And this just says, this rose water infused sheet mask gives your skin the hydration it needs to beat the heat. Enjoy it on a day off when you're looking to calm and refresh your complexion. So that's really good. Right now it's pretty dreary outside, but I know in the next coming days it's going to be hotter than Africa again. So I could definitely, my face will need some replenishing soon, I'm sure. So there's the first thing we got is a sheet mask. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and this is Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint. And I really like this packaging. It looks like little chandeliers like on it. I don't know if it's supposed to be chandeliers, but that's what it looks like to me. And this says on the card, this liquid lipstick is what makeup dreams are made of. One of the originals. It does what it says. Applies smoothly, fully covers lips, wears all day, feels lightweight, and doesn't crack. So let's get it in here. And this is in the shade Posh. And we'll open up this box and see what it looks like. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's like that frosted glass on the outside of it and just says Girl Lactic on it with a shiny cap. And yes, this is in the shade Posh. So we'll get this out. It just has a standard doe foot. Sorry, there's like a kid just like prancing down the sidewalk across the street and I didn't know what he was doing. Anyways, that was like a squirrel moment. But anyways, let's get back to this lipstick. I will swatch it. I do love this color. It is a brown. I love browns, especially because fall is coming, which fall is my absolute favorite season. And I cannot wait for it to get here. So then in the fall, I wear a lot of browns and nudes. But here's that color. It's called Posh that was a really big swatch. But anyways, I really do like that shade. So there is that we got. The next thing I'm pulling out is some Ella and Mila Love nail polish. I really like this shade because it's pink and it has a little elephant. And this says, this gorgeous, oh, I guess it's red. It looks pink to me. It looks pink to me. But in the camera it looks red. Maybe I can't see. But anyways, red nail color will make you fall in love over and over again. With a tint of coral, it's summer and fall friendly, vegan, cruelty free, and dries quickly so you don't have to miss a beat. So there's that, and hopefully it does dry quickly, because let me tell you, when I paint my nails, like, I'll paint them and then I want to do everything. I want to clean, and then I want to cook, and then my dogs want to be played with, and then, you know, I want to put makeup on my face. And then after I realized that I shouldn't have done all of that because I just painted my fingernails, like, I have like smudges and half of it's gone, and it's a big old disaster. So I love the nail polishes that dry fast, because I hate sitting around and waiting for it to dry and blowing on them, and it takes forever sometimes. So hopefully this little guy will do it. And it looks pink to me. In the camera it looks more red, but it looks pink to me. But I will see it. I do have my nails painted right now, so I will not try it on. But I will definitely use it. I love getting nail polish. I have like 110 nail polishes, I think is the last time that I counted them. So I would just add this to my little collection. Alright, moving on. The next thing we have is Ricky Care No Crease. I think these are like hair clips maybe? Let's read about them. A true cult classic, these clips are all the rave by celebrities and hairstylists alike. In the heat and humidity, hair expands, which causes creases to easily form. Carry these clips on you to keep your hair looking gorgeous. Which is really cool, because I love clips, and now that I have my hair shorter, I can clip it back. So let's just see what these guys look like. Alright, so I'll just take one off of here. They're like little leaves. They're so cute. Here is the clip, and it just opens like this. It looks like a little animal. Like a little snapping turtle. But anyways, there's a little clip. Let me see if I can clip my hair somehow. It's probably going to look terrible, but let's just clip it back here. There we go. Oh, that's really cute. I really do like this. So I would definitely be using these little clips. I love clips now that, you know, like I said, my hair is short, so I can just clip it back so it's not into my face. So I'm really happy to get this. That's really different for a subscription box, but I really enjoy it. And is this the last thing? Yes. The last thing that we got is a OMG Pulling Gel Double Dare. Oh, it's okay. Strawberry seed exfoliating. You put it on your nose, and it's like one of them peel things to pull out your like your little blackheads. Here's the box for it. I love the packaging. It's really cute. It says, bye bye blackheads. This unique gel gently exfoliates your skin in a two-step process. First, it emits a warm sensation to open up your pores. Then the strawberry seeds work to remove blackheads and dead skin cells, which I do have a lot of blackheads on my nose, and my nose is super oily. So I am really excited about this. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Here's the package. It says OMG Pulling Gel and has a little strawberry. I love strawberries, but there's a little strawberry. Open it up, and it does have a little safety seal on it. Pull that off. I just want to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Alright, so it is like a brown, it's right here. It is a brown gel, and it does have little bitty beads. It looks like little coffee grounds in there. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate covered strawberries. And it's like warming the back of my hand up. That is nice. Oh, it smells so good. I just want to like lick it. But I won't, because I don't think you're supposed to eat it. But I would definitely be using this on my nose. And like I said, it smells like chocolate covered strawberries. It smells amazing. So I'm definitely excited about this, and I'll definitely be using this. Okay, so that is all that is in our little box. I wish it would tell me the prices of the products, but it doesn't, so I have no idea what the prices are. But this month, I am extremely excited and happy with Ricky's. I love the hair things. I love the mask, the nail polish. I love makeup. As you guys know, I'm absolutely crazy about makeup. But it is nice to get, you know, some like little hair things or something for your nails. Something just a little bit different that you don't usually see in subscription boxes. So I'm really excited, and I'm loving this little clip over here. It reminds me of like when I was in like kindergarten and my mom would like clip my little hair back. But I do really like this clip. So I'm super excited about this box. If you guys get Ricky's Cult Crushes, do you guys think it's worth the money, since they did raise the prices, I think, last month, the $14 a month? Did you guys get the same things? Do you think it's worth it? Please let me know all of your thoughts and opinions. I would love to hear from you guys. I love interacting with you guys. So with that being said, I think that is all that I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!